Hi everyone, I am so excited to share with you different ways that you could display the My Saint, My Hero wearable blessings. So as you know, we have our typical displays that are like tiered. So those come in large, medium, and small, and they look like this. And that is a great display to display all of your best-selling wearable blessings, those that just fly off the shelf. Those may be the new designs, the originals, that's where you display those. Then we also have these little tray displays. Sometimes they come behind your display, or you can call your rep and ask for them. This is a great way to display those pieces as a point of purchase right next to the cash register. Those pieces that are perfect to celebrate life's occasions, maybe for St. Patty's Day or St. Valentine's Day or for Easter, those pieces that are specific to that season. Right now what I'm showing you are our blessings for a cure. This would be a perfect point of purchase tray for October to just carry all of the pieces, the wearable blessings that give back to City of Hope, that give back to cancer research. So together we are in prayer for a future that is cancer-free. And we have that tangible reminder in our blessing bracelets, so blessings for a cure, and that is the pink, has adorned with the little cancer ribbon. We also have it in together in prayer for a future that is cancer-free, for a cure. So that's one for you and one for your prayer partner. We also have the hope, a hope for a future that is cancer-free, and that is the word of wisdom, hope, on the pink cord. And we also have our Morse code necklace. It says love, hope, cure in Morse code. So this is a great way to share the celebration of life's occasions in a really easy way on this point of purchase tray. Enjoy.